Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Sephora haul. I went to the store yesterday and I was able to take advantage of my 20% discount as a Rouge member. I didn't get a lot of makeup, it's mostly skincare, but let's go ahead and get started with the video and the haul so you guys can see all the goodies that I got. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. You can also like this video and also click on the little bell that will notify you whenever I upload a new video, which is every single day. And without further ado, let's get started. So here we have the bags. There's only one thing here in this bag, which is this one right here from Tatcha. So I wanted to change my moisturizer for nighttime just because I have been using the same one for quite some time, and sometimes I do feel like my skin gets used to it and I have to like switch things up on my skincare routine just because my skin is not reacting to it. Even though I absolutely love my skincare routine, I do feel like I need to, add something different. So I tried a little sample of the moisturizer from Tatcha not too long ago, and I forgot how much I really enjoyed the Tatcha moisturizer. So I went ahead and purchased this set that is going to give you the cleanser, which by the way is one of my favorite cleansers of all time, just because it has like a little bit of texture to it, so you do feel like it's really getting in there, just taking all of the makeup, especially if you are a makeup wearer. Like this cleanser right here is so good, and it doesn't strip my face. It doesn't feel like super like dry and tight or anything like that, which I really love. So I've never purchased the full size of the cleanser, but I'm always thinking about it. I'm always so tempted just because it is so good, but I do have other cleansers here, so like I don't want to spend that much money for a cleanser, you know what I mean? But anyways, it's a really good one, and I've never tried the serum ever from Tatcha, so this is definitely going to be my first time trying the Dewy serum. And Dewy, like that is exactly what my skin is craving. I am using the water essence from Tatcha, which is amazing, especially because my skin is craving hydration, and that definitely does such an amazing job before I even apply any of my skincare during the nighttime. So this one again retails for $87, and I think it was such a good deal, especially with a 20% discount. Like I was so excited for it. Just moving into makeup a little bit, because I did pick up this palette from Huda Beauty, the Pretty Grunge palette. This is the color Story. I was able to create two looks for you guys, and this one right here is actually the two looks that I created, and I just went ahead and just try to match them as much as I can just so I can film this video. I do not have a tutorial for this eye look. It's just me trying to make them look as similar as possible and just playing with this palette all over again, and I think that it came out pretty nice. But anyways, here is the palette that I picked up from Huda Beauty. I'm really excited for you guys to see that video where I'm creating two looks, so you are going to see that video right after this haul, so the next day. But anyways, I am going to show you what I got in this little bag now. Well, I don't know if you would call it a makeup product, but this is the Summer Fridays, and now this has been so like well talked about, and it's like getting so much hype, especially on TikTok, and I wanted to try it for myself. I'm really excited for this like lip balm. It's supposed to be like the most amazing thing. Everyone is raving about it, and this is a lip butter balm. I am going to link everything down below, including the shades. I can't find it here, I don't know why, but anyways, that is what I got. That is the only like two makeup products that I actually purchased from this sale. The rest of it is skincare, so if you guys want to stick around to see what I got, it's really just a few products, not a lot, but let me show you. All right, so I went ahead and purchased this right here from Glow Recipe, and this one right here is called the Plum Hydration Heroes. And again, hydration, my skin is craving that hydration, that plumpness, and you get two different things. So we do have a full size and a mini size. Oh, okay. Oh, they're both full size. I don't even know what I got. All right, so you get two full size, and this one right here, oh my god, this is so cute. So we have the Plum Hyaluronic Cream, and we also have the Plum Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. So this is the little balm right here. So cute. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. And this is definitely going to be a little bit more for like daytime. I like to keep it a little bit lighter for daytime, but still I need something to like really hydrate my skin. When I'm doing multiple looks for my eyes, I do my whole entire face just so you guys can have an idea, and that has been taking a toll on my skin. And because of that, I just need like really good products that are going to like really repair and nourish my skin all over again. So Glow Recipe is definitely my go-to when it comes to daytime. This one right here is a repurchase from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Again, it's very jelly consistency. It has the nicest, beautiful watermelon scent to it. It is pink, which is so cute, and the glow that it gives my face is insane. But not only that, it just feels so good. Like my skin is actually drinking glasses of water. It's like my skin is just drinking it. It's so amazing. Again, I ran out of this one a couple of days ago, and I was just so happy to run to Sephora and get it back again, just because that is my go-to moisturizer during the daytime, especially when I'm filming. So I got the Plum Hyaluronic Serum. I have never tried anything from Glow Recipe that is not the watermelon line, so I'm really excited to be trying something new. And this is so cute. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? This is the, again, the Plum Hyaluronic Serum, and it has that jelly consistency that I absolutely love. Like, it looks so nice and refreshing already, so I cannot wait. And the last product that I got from Glow Recipe is the Guava Vitamin C Brighten Gel Cream. Again, something very jelly-like, something that is going to be lightweight for during the daytime. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. They gifted me this hair mask right here, which is really nice, from Amica's. I've never tried it. I do like the scent from Amica's, so I'm really excited to try that. And the very last product that I got, that I cannot show you the box because I already threw it away. My daughter, she already took 2 of the little lip balms right here. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and they had 5 of them. The mint one and the original one, which is what she took, and she left me with this 3 right here. This one is the one that I have been using. Really like it. It smells like candy. So good. Like, you get such a small product, but at the same time it is just good enough for you to be able to try the whole entire set. I'm going to put a picture of it right here so you guys can see. For $20 you get to try all of them, and then you can just focus on the one that you like the most and buy the full set like that. But I thought it was a really nice purchase. I knew that my daughter was going to definitely be so excited for this little mini ones right here, because she already took my full size one and it's already gone. Like, that is hers. It's not even mine anymore. So, but anyways, that is it for this video, my friends. That is it for this Sephora haul. Take advantage of that sale because it only comes twice a year. I am going to be linking everything down below in the description area. I'm super excited to try these products from Glow Recipe, and of course I will be reporting back to you guys in the future, just in case you guys were interested in any of these products and you just need like a little updated review. You are definitely going to get that. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.